I'm Matthew Marson, Head of Smart Places at WSP, and one technology that I'm really excited about is what I call location services. If you think about how GPS has changed the way that we interact with cities and the contextual awareness that maps have for us, imagine bringing that down to the scale of a building. In order to pull this off, there are essentially three technologies. The first is Wi-Fi spatial analytics, where we can have a look at where a device is connected to the Wi-Fi provided in the building, and with a few changes to the stickiness of the access points, we're able to give a location of that device to the nearest 5 meters. In cases where you need something a bit more refined, we can use Bluetooth beaconing, which is essentially a small battery-powered beacon that you will put on the wall or the ceiling or perhaps even under a desk. And these essentially sit there for around 3 years, the battery lasts, and they sing out who they are. Using a mobile app and your phone listening to those different beacons, we're able to get a position of where you are. And this means we can report that back to a server or generate a whole set of use cases where you can help find a person, place or thing, and give you turn-by-turn navigation as you move through that space to make it easier to get to the place that you need to be. In cases where that 3-meter accuracy is not quite enough, we can do reverse Bluetooth beaconing, which is essentially where we provide a set of stationary listeners around the building and add a tweeter to the item itself. And this can be really important in high-precision environments such as oil and gas, or in hospitals when you need to locate a particular piece of equipment. For me, these sorts of use cases provide the user experience that people are now starting to expect as we become more comfortable with GPS in other parts of our lives.